Hello, traders. Today is Tuesday, July 22nd. This is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So the dollar Swiss did break down on the daily, and we had to always realize that the weekly and the monthly trend is also down. I think there's a chance this could pop up a little bit, but I think we should be looking for sorts at the end of one, two, three-way pullbacks, one, two, three-way pullbacks. If we do make another one, two, three-way pullback, that's where I will be looking to get short again, potentially for the continuation of this higher time frame downtrend. I think there's a good chance that the weekly and the monthly trend could continue. There's definitely no reason yet to say that those very high time frames have finished their move to the downside yet. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, linked down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.